Alrighty guys, this is one of the elevators here at the Ramada here in Williston, North Dakota.
Ramada?
Yes. Use knuckle. No, I push with my finger and I feel fine. Well, none of those rules apply to me, because I gotta push my 4. It's a nice cab. HT. We have to go off here, and we are gonna go to the other elevator in this place. Yes, folks, this is actually one of 2 elevators in this hotel property. This way to the other elevator in this hotel property. And over here, we have another 330A. Consider using the stairs. No. Avoid using the elevator if you have a fever of cough. No. Cough or sneeze into elbow. Yeah. Also using your knuckle to push the desired floor. Nah, I'll push it with my finger. So actually I'm breaking 3 of the 5 rules that the sign put up. So it's 1 floor. Let's go down to 1. Here's a standard Ramada elevator. 3,500 pounds capacity. And here we have 1. So yeah, I guess that is going to be it for me.